Hi, Rowan with Oxy-Dry. Here I am now finishing off this job. It has actually cleaned up really nicely. Yeah, definitely looking good. Looks like the stains all came out, and other than the wear, because it's very worn, the carpet's looking good. Looks clean. So let's give it a post groom with the Hoover Hushtone. This carpet definitely will benefit from a post vacuum anyway, because although I did vacuum it very thoroughly, there's a dog in the house who's a short hair, looks like a little, kind of a small shepherd, and definitely sheds a lot. So an extra vacuuming, rather than simply grooming with a rake, is definitely a benefit in a situation like this, because I will be picking up even more hair out of the carpet, because you'll never get it all out, but another vacuuming of the carpet will definitely benefit as far as that goes. And if you watch my videos all the time, you know that this is definitely my preferred way of grooming anyway. I don't like using a rake for various reasons. It takes a little bit longer to vacuum because the rake is a little bit faster, but I'm not trying to be fast, I'm trying to be thorough as possible, and this gives me a better performance, you know. Yeah, it looks nice and freshly vacuumed because it's freshly vacuumed. Yeah, it is really worn in the traffic areas, but this the cleaning, both with the hog's hair powder pad, which really scrubs the powder well, lifts the pile, doesn't flatten it, and then the vacuuming afterwards has really lifted the pile up. So it's really looking quite good as far as that goes, but of course it'll flatten down again very rapidly after, because it's polyester. It is what it is. I think there's at least 2 kids still living in the house with the parents. But I guess the other 3 moved on out. I think one of them might have got married, at least. Because I know there's a grandchild too. was a big stain right over here, and it's gone, of course. Actually, the carpet is looking really, really good, other than the wear. It shows the soil extraction transfer technology method is very, very effective. There's a mark right there, which I'm going to put some proxy on. I suspect that might have been a urine stain. So I'll put some proxy on that one. It's still slightly visible. And if that's what it is, it'll just fade away pretty quick. Anyway, I'm going to let you go. So I got to do the steps yet. Groom them, that is, and then I'll be done. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.